so 1, 2, 3, 6. So based on the kilogram, if your strength is 10 and if your weight is less than 10 kilo, it's nothing. And if your stuff is less than 20 kilos, you lose 1 strength. No, you lose 1 point of the speed. Okay. I'm just gonna reference this actually. So it's weight. It's how much weight that goes beyond, or so weight divided by the strength, -1. That's the number that's gonna get subtracted by the speed. Sure, I'm just gonna do that. It's not really, it's the same as the GURPS system, but I just, roughly calculated that would be the, rough number. So, speed. Okay, so this is 1. Okay, so negative. It's because it's gonna change in the middle of the battle. So total equipment weight is a number, and total equipment weight is this actual equipment is reduced to all 0. Yes, some weight. Yes, so this is what it is. Okay, and instead of sum, just return. Okay. Right, so where was it? Yeah, some weight. So this total equipment weight. Okay, so speed is total. Okay, again, this total equipment weight minus 10 kilo divided by this actor strength, because we haven't set any strengths to any of these characters. That's why. C strength 11, strength 9, 9. Now I'm talking. Yes, right, this guy can't really move. Whoa. Because he's carrying too much stuff, but he's quick. I like it. I'm really liking it. I like what I'm seeing. This is exactly what I was imagining. And it's working very smooth. Nice. So